All right, today's lesson is brought to you before a live studio audience. Today we're going to add and subtract radicals. Start off with a little warm-up. I want you to simplify 2x plus 3y plus 5x minus 7y. I want you to combine like terms there. And the second problem here is simplify the square root of 52. So go ahead and take a moment, press pause, and hook that up. All right, so back here, if you're combining like terms, you got x terms and you got y terms. So you combine like terms, you get 2x plus 5x is 7x. 3y minus 7y is negative 4y. So this would be your final answer, 7x minus 4y. The square root of 52, you get 2 and 26, 2 and 13. So has got a buddy? 2 has a buddy, so it would be 2. 13 got left behind. 2 times the square root of 13. All right, so today's lesson is going to take those two concepts, combining like terms and simplifying radicals, and put them together. Let's do an example here. Let's look at, how about 2 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. Now check this out. This looks exactly like the warm-up. Pretty much, x is going to be replaced with root 3, and y is going to be replaced by root 5. So look what happens here. What we have here are 2 of these root 3 things, and there's another 5 of these root 3 things, and we got these different things. We got these 3 of these root 5 things minus 7 of the root 5 things. So looking at the roots, see how they're different roots, except that these two are the same roots. So we treat them just like terms. So this is going to be 7 root 3. Oh, excuse me. 3 minus 7 root 5 is going to be negative 4 root 5. We're going to add these up the same way that we did before. All right? So let's do another example. How about root 11 plus 9 root 11 plus root 15. Alright, so what are our like terms? We got a root 11 here and 9 more root 11s here, so we have 10 root 11s. Is this the same thing? No, it's a different thing, so we have to leave it alone. It cannot be combined with the root 11 here. All right, so let's try a couple more. Let's go with 5 root 3 minus root 27. Now, right away, you might notice that I got 5 of these root 3 things minus 1 of these root 27 things. They're not the same things. However, can root 27 break down any? Well, 27 breaks down to 9 and 3. 9 breaks down to 3 and 3. So, pair of 3s, a 3 comes out. This 3 get left behind. 3 root 3. But then we also have this 5 root 3 minus that. Root 27 became 3 root 3. So now they are like terms. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is going to be 2 root 3. That's going to be your final answer. Let's try another one. How about 2 root 28 plus 4 root 7. They're definitely not the same. But does root 28 break down any? Root 28 breaks down to 4 and 7 2 and 2. So a 2 comes out. But remember, there was already a 2 outside to begin with. So 2, then this 2 comes out. 7 got left behind. Plus 4 root 7. So what is 2 times 2 root 7? That would be 4 root 7 plus 4 root 7. I got 4 of these root 7 things, 4 of these root 7 things. 8 root 7 would be our final answer. So I want you to try these next two by yourselves. Try these two. You get 5 root 32 minus 4 root 18. Right away you see they're definitely not the same. However, you can probably go and simplify them. And then 3 root 45 minus 8 root 20. Go ahead and press pause and give those two a shot. Alright, so hopefully you did this first one here. 32 breaks down to 8 and 4. 8 breaks down to 2 and 4. And you could keep going down. 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Now we already got a 5 outside. Pair of 2, so a 2 came out. Pair of 2, so another 2 comes out. And this 2 got left behind. Then this one, 18 breaks down to 9 and 2. 9 breaks down to 3 and 3. This is going to be minus. There's already a 4 outside. A 3 comes out. And a 2 got left behind. Alright, so we simplified these. Now let's put them together, see what that looks like. So what we got here is 5 times 2 is 10, times 2 is 20, root 2 minus 12 root 2. So 20 root 2 minus 12 root 2 is 8 root 2. That would be your answer there. Alright, so go ahead and try the second one if you haven't yet. Second one you should have got 9 and 5, 3 and 3. There's already a 3 outside. But then this other 3 comes out, and a 5 got left behind. Minus 8 times, let's break down 20. 20 breaks down to 4 and 5. 4 is 2 and 2, so it'll be 8 times 2. Oh, sorry, I forgot. 2 comes out, that's this 2. This 5 got left behind. So this would be 9 root 5 minus 16 root 5. So now they're the same thing. So 9 root 5 minus 16 root 5 is a negative 7 of these root 5 things. So that's how you add and subtract radicals. Go ahead and keep working the packets. Smith out!